Meaning of detrimental.
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 Detrimental. The term detrimental means causing harm or damage to something or someone. When something is considered detrimental, it has a negative effect or consequence that can be damaging or harmful. The result of a situation that is deemed detrimental can vary depending on the context in which it is used. For example, a detrimental effect on the environment could result in pollution and a loss of biodiversity. In personal relationships, it could result in emotional pain and damage to trust. Overall, being detrimental is seen as having a negative impact on the affected party.